This video is to help kids who do a lot of significant mouthing. Now, if a child is doing a lot of mouthing for sensory alleviation, a great way to manage that is to provide highly frequent oral sensory types of stimulation throughout the day. And the idea here is to provide them in a way that's really naturalistic, in a way that is highly frequent, and in a way that gives them a safe alternative to what they're otherwise mouthing. So you might want to start the day with toothbrushing and make sure that that's interlaced whenever it's an appropriate time, like when there's a snack. So using an electric toothbrush, using a toothpaste that has a high amount of sensory feedback, maybe something that's a little spicy, maybe a flavor that has a very strong mint. But what you want to be doing, again, is giving nice amounts of oral stimulation during those naturalistic times. So when it comes to a snack time, you might want to be using carbonated water instead of regular water because it sort of gives more stimulation to the mouth. You want to be looking for chewy, resistive types of snacks, things to drink that are thick and really help work the mouth. And then in between, you might be providing some kind of a snack, jewelry type of object, something that's safe. But the idea is to be interlacing different types of safe, functional, again, the toothbrushing is functional, the snack ideas are highly functional activities that really help your child to get through the day, to get that sensory stimulation that they're craving, but also to do it in a way that's very safe. So consider the idea of high frequency oral sensory stimulation. And again, try to figure out what looks naturalistic, what works for your schedule, and try to build that in throughout the day so that your child has safe and functional options.
Put 'em back up on the shelf.